Hi there, students. Incendiary, both a noun and an adjective. Okay, an incendiary device is something designed to cause fires, to make things burn. So they dropped incendiary bombs on the industrial district of the city. Okay, something designed to cause fires. Yeah, so an incendiary or incendiary as an adjective. And that, well, is quite a narrow meaning. But we also use incendiary, meaning something that's liable to cause violence, liable to get people upset. So he gave an incendiary speech, and after that the audience went out and started fighting with the police. Okay, so an incendiary is designed to cause fire, but here we're using an incendiary that's something that's rousing really strong feelings. Yeah, is getting people really upset. Okay, so an incendiary comment, inflammatory, provocative. Yeah, it's causing problems. Yeah, it's inflaming and aggravating people. Yeah, I think you could probably also use incendiary to mean really hot but really spicy. So I'm a great fan of these little bird's eye chilies, which are pretty incendiary. They're pretty hot. Okay, so incendiary, an incendiary. Something that's designed to cause a large fire. Incendiary weapons. Yeah, something that's trying to cause fires. But then incendiary comments, yeah, inflammatory, provocative, designed to cause violence, to get people upset, yeah, to rouse strong emotion, to bring on conflict. Yeah, so I think if somebody is making incendiary speeches, this is a very nasty thing to do, because this is inciting hate. Yeah, so words, phrases, speeches, things that are designed to bring strife together. They're inflammatory, provocative. Yeah, they're rabble rousing. They're getting the people to act, to be violent. He made a few comments that were incendiary to him, and I could do nothing but hit him. I know it wasn't the right thing to do. Okay, so incendiary, likely to cause violence. Yeah, likely to stir up conflict. You know, so incendiary rhetoric. Yeah, an incendiary news article. Okay, so incendiary, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6. I think informally I might say inflammatory or something like that. But use it probably more semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or above. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from, it comes from through French, from Latin, incendiarius, to set alight, to make something burn. Yeah, from incendo, to set on fire. Kindle is related to that as well. And in, then into, on, and candeo, to be hot. I am hot. So yeah, it's something that's hot. Okay, so if something is incendiary, it's capable of causing fire. It's used to make fires, particularly big fires. And then incendiary, something that's stirring up problems. It's stirring up violence and rebellion. Yeah, something that's inflammatory, that people have very strong feelings about. So politics is normally a pretty incendiary topic, and it's not advisable to talk about it in the pub. Okay, you can actually also use this word an incendiary apart from a device used to cause fire, particularly a weapon, but also an arsonist, as in somebody who likes to maliciously burn things. Yeah, an incendiary, but I would use the word an arsonist. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Incendiary.